Hello again. So on the last video, we added the picture to our um, profile, and I got a question in the comments, and I think it should be addressed about how to actually put this in your profile. And I apologize about the haphazard um, order of these videos. I've been mainly doing them on suggestion basis, and I find the most simple and easy to follow along with first. Eventually, I will do a full start to finish complete edit of a profile, but I find that small videos might be more helpful in the meantime, just in case you need just one little nugget of information and you don't want to watch a massive video. So anyway, long story short, um, I have open my generic profile page, and now we're going to go to edit profile. So now that we're here, we simply just want to go back here to wherever we have our code that we want to put in. And now you can put it anywhere in these boxes, in any of these boxes, and it will render. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to put it in the About Me, and I'm also going to put it down in Heroes, just to show you that it will go in any of these boxes. And so if we just click Save All, we can see that it's now successful, and we'll go to view our profile, and we can see that in the About Me, that image has been rendered, and in our Heroes, it's also been rendered. Now, it looks a little bit weird in Heroes, so you might have to change the sizes of things, and this box will also have its own rules that kind of stop images from being the correct size. So that's kind of it right now, just for basic images. To fix this, I'll make another video very quickly on how to make sure that this looks okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please leave them below. Thank you.